Welcome you to the course layer Java programming tutorial. Let's learn something. In this tutorial we will be discussing the various Java compilers, how to set them up. Java compilers. These two steps are involved with the compilation of Java code. First step is the Java code is first compiled to bytecode by a program called Java, included in the JDK which we will install in the last of this tutorial. From Oracle Corporation, open sourced since 13 November 2006. Before this date, it was not open sourced. Then, another program called Java starts the Java runtime environment, which uses the Java virtual machine, usually called JVM, to compile or interpret the bytecode by using the Java interpreter. Major Java compilers: Eclipse, incubating NetBeans, JCreator. What is the JDK? The JDK or Java Development Kit is a software package that contains a variety of tools and utilities that make it possible to develop, package, monitor and deploy applications that build for any standard Java platform. If you are confusing or don't know anything about this, do not be worried about it. We will get to know it later. We first install JDK in our system's path, then use our compiler. How to set JDK and compilers? Steps: install JDK, paste its directory in system's path. We will show you how to do it. Install Java compiler, then use the Java. Let's set up our JDK. Go for this link. This link is described in the description of this video. Go for 80212, not for demo, make a simple normal one. Accept license agreement. Go for Windows 64. 86 is for 32-bit environment systems and 64 is for 64-bit processors. Go for this, install it, and when you install it, go for this. For example, usually the JDK directory is in program files, Java, and then this JDK. Go for this JDK. This is to download. Copy address X text. Go for system, advanced system settings. Environment variables. Go for this path in this one. Edit. Place it still. Set OK. Set OK. OK. And your power is available. Go for CMD to check whether we have installed our correct version of JDK or not. Go for CMD. Go for CMD. Write Java. Now we will install our Java Eclipse compiler. Go to this link, this link will be just present in the description of this tutorial. Go for Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Do not install any other them. This is 195 MB. Download Windows if you have Windows. Do go for Windows 64-bit. Go for Mac. Go for Mac. If you have Linux, go for Linux. You will go for Windows 64-bit. Then you will download it, or if it's not downloading in your PC, go for another selected in the mirror, download it, install it in your PC, and then use it. Let you know how to use it. File. This is Eclipse compiler 2019 March version. This is the latest version. This is present on the website of the Java Eclipse compiler. Go for Java project or project. I have gone for project. And so Java project, and then project name and all that, and then now we will go for our NetBeans Java compiler. Go for Apache NetBeans, netbeans.org. Go for Apache NetBeans. Go for download. Now we will go for our Java NetBeans compiler. Go for this link, and this will be described in the description of this video. Go for binaries. And after going for this, after installing this one, when you install it, I have installed it in documents, bin, go for NetBeans 64. Then you will go for JCreator. Go for your suitable format. Just go for suitable format platform. Then download it. On NetBeans, let's go file, new project. Always go for project, not for file. That will be very suitable for you. Java, go for simple Java with Java with and Java Web, Java FX. Go for Java with Java with Maven. Or if you go for Java with Maven, Java application, and do this. And then